Take out the machine and its accessories. The accessories include 1 white hose, 1 black hose, 1 red hose, 2 sprayers, 3 dermabrasion handpieces, 6 black rubber cells, 1 bag of felt cotton and 9 dermabrasion tips, 3 glass tubes, 1 power cord. Put the dermabrasion tips on the corresponding positions of the machine. Take out the black rubber cell and put it in place. There's a total of 6 rubber cells. Replace it with a new one when necessary. Please note, make sure the rubber cell has been put in place before treatment, otherwise there will be no suction. Put the 3 handpieces on the holders. The air outlet is at the left side and the suction hole is at the right side. When you want to use the dermabrasion handpiece, connect one end of the white hose to the suction hole and the other end to the tail end of the handpiece. Put the felt cotton inside. Choose the dermabrasion tip you want to use. Please note, make sure the felt cotton has been put in place. Fix the dermabrasion tip onto the tube. Connect the power cord to the machine. Press button to get the machine started. The knob is used to adjust the suction level, and turn it anti-clockwise is to lower it. Turn it clockwise is to raise the suction level. The higher the suction level is, the tighter the dermabrasion handpiece will be attached to skin. 10 minutes is recommended for each treatment session. Turn off the machine to stop the treatment. Detach the dermabrasion tip and take out the felt cotton after treatment. Wash the dermabrasion tip clean before using it in the treatment. Take out the 3 glass tubes. The straight one is suitable for nose area, the flat-headed one is suitable for forehead and cheek, and the last one is suitable for chin, nose, and cheek. Disconnect the white hose from the dermabrasion handpiece and connect it with the glass tube. Turn the knob to adjust the suction level. There's a round hole on the glass tube. Put the index finger on it during treatment. Withdraw your finger when you want to stop. Press power switch to turn off the machine. There are 2 sprayers. Put pure water, toner, scent essence, or other liquids into the sprayer. Please note, do not put something with high thickness in. Press the switch to get the machine started. During the treatment, use the index finger to cover the round hole at the cap of the sprayer, and then there will be spray coming out. Withdraw a finger from the cap, and then there will be no spray. This treatment can help moisturize skin, clean skin, and provide skin with nutrients. Press button to turn off the machine. Clean the sprayer and put it at a proper place.